making it into an oven refrigerator. A plant kitchen refrigerator.
This is the 30-day video challenge, day 15. Woo! So that means we've actually made it halfway through the challenge and managed to post every single day. We're just running really behind today, but that's okay. I think we're gonna make it. So we are working on this new project that's just kind of been our little side project to do here and there when we have a little bit of free time. I kind of can't believe that we're doing it because I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with these kind of things because they can be a little cheesy, but I've also always wanted us to do one. So, and I think Brian has too. So we got this entertainment cabinet from a family friend, and we are planning to turn it into a kids' play kitchen. And we've got some ideas. We're not exactly sure how everything's going to work out or be laid out, but we've kind of got a rough idea of a plan. And we've passed these up so many times on Facebook Marketplace or other people just getting rid of them because honestly, with like the TV cutout and stuff, we see these for free or on the curb a lot, and we've passed them up so many times. But since this one had the really cool roll down top, it was the one. We couldn't resist anymore. So we're going to be working on this here and there. We definitely probably won't get it done all that quickly, but we just wanted to take you guys along and update you on the progress as we go.
Alright, so we've started on this. We took the doors off. We patched the hardware holes. Hardware holes down there. Took the shelves out. Took the back off. And then at the top of this door where it was broken, we trimmed out the broken pieces. Ow. Anyways, trimmed out the broken pieces, which then makes this short. So after some brainstorming, what we decided to do is add a piece of wood that'll go the length of the bottom here and stick out, so it will be the handle for this roll top. So when we get it attached, it'll run all the way across, and then this will roll up using that as a handle, but then that way it gets rid of your gap up here. So then we can use it and just roll it up. There's your stove, your sink, pots and pans. You can get to cooking.
Sorry this video was so short, but we're making a little bit of progress on this piece and we have 100 things going on, so we appreciate you guys bearing with us through a couple short videos. And as always, thanks for watching the flippin' video.
That was pretty good timing.